Okay, so just to begin, we really wanted to get some moisturizing primer in there, and I think that really helps everything go on soft. So I wanted to start with the eyebrows because, as you can see, your eyebrows are so fair that I really felt like I needed to get the eyebrows on there so I knew where everything was gonna go. Next, I did the dark black line right at her lash line. I wanted to do a really, really fine line because she is so fair. I still want to give that crispness to her makeup, but I don't want it to look really harsh compared to her light hair and her light skin. So I went really fine, and then I did brown liner on the bottom so that it wouldn't be so harsh. Now I'm just gonna do some mascara. And here with the eyeshadow, instead of, when we age, our skin tends to get a little bit looser and it's a little bit more movable. So when you put on eyeshadow, you really need to pat it in rather than brush strokes. The brush strokes are gonna end up giving you a kind of an uneven eye. So you really wanna pat it in where you want it, and that's gonna help it last longer as well and stay put. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the contouring around the edges of her face. And here again with the highlighting, I'm in more of those wiggly areas, and so I'm doing a lot of stippling, as you can see, where I'm just pressing down in small motions. That helps, especially when you have skin that's under your eyes that tends to get creasy with your makeup. When you pat it in like this, it's so much better because it gives you that even flawless finish, and it gets kind of the makeup spread evenly also, where it's not going to clump up in areas and all of that. So it's really just the best way to do it for a long-lasting, beautiful finish. Now, blush is absolutely crucial. I love to see this because she just comes alive when we put the blush on. Blush is so crucial as we age here again. The color in our skin tends to come out slowly, and we get a little bit less vibrant. Now I'm just going to contour a little bit up on her nose and then pat everything in with the perfector. Just here again in stipple motions, this makes everything look so flawless. And if you are oily, she was dry, but if you're oily or if you struggle with your makeup staying on all day, you could put a little bit of powder on the perfector before you do that. Now I'm gonna use a natural tone lip liner and just give her a nice soft lip line with that, going from the outer edges in, and then a hot pink gloss, and then I'm gonna illuminate the tops of her cheeks and right on her brow bone. Okay, ready?
Okay. Serious? Wow! Look at me! Yay!
You like it?
Yes!
So
wow! I didn't know I had it in me. No, I knew you did. Wow!